What if Mercedes brought back the most iconic roadster they ever made and made it look like this? People, this is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz SL500 R129. Now, before you say anything, yes, this is a render. But the rumors coming out of Stuttgart right now, they are loud, and honestly, I think Mercedes is absolutely cooking something special. Stay with me, because this one is going to blow your mind. Look at this front end. That is not a modern Mercedes face, that is a statement. They kept the classic long hood from the original R129, but wrapped it in razor-sharp LED headlights, a massive three-pointed star on the grille, and chrome bumper work that screams old money. This British racing green, I mean, come on. You cannot tell me this doesn't look like something James Bond would roll up in. From the side, the silhouette is everything. Low, sleek, wide. The soft-top convertible roof sits perfectly, and when it's down, this thing looks absolutely menacing. Those multi-spoke chrome wheels, the side vents just behind the front wheel arch, pure classic SL DNA. No unnecessary creases, no fake aggression, just clean, confident German muscle. Around back, look at that full-width LED light bar. It stretches clean across the trunk lid, a massive Mercedes-Benz script on the lower fascia, dual square exhausts, and the three-pointed star right in the center. Bro, this rear view is a poster. Now, let's get inside, because this interior is where things get crazy good. Cognac brown leather everywhere, I mean, every surface. Diamond quilted seats, carbon fiber trim on the dash, and these round analog gauges that are a direct throwback to the original R129, but modernized with digital readouts. That steering wheel is wrapped in the same cognac leather, with a flat bottom cut and touch-sensitive controls. Very AMG, very premium. The center console gets a small floating touchscreen, not overwhelming, not huge, just enough tech to remind you this is 2026. And with that golden hour light pouring through the open roof, honestly, this might be the most beautiful interior I've rendered all year. All right, let's talk numbers. If Mercedes goes ahead with the 2026 SL500 R129 revival, we're expecting a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8, possibly with a mild hybrid assist, pushing somewhere around 469 horsepower. 0 to 60 under 4 seconds. And the price? Think somewhere between $140,000 and $180,000. So yeah, this is not for everyone. But for who it is for, nothing else comes close. Now the competition is real. You've got the Bentley Continental GTC, the Aston Martin DB12 Volante, and the Porsche 911 Cabriolet all fighting for that same buyer. But here's the thing, none of them have that R129 heritage. None of them carry 30 years of legacy in their body lines. That's the Mercedes advantage. If you made it this far, drop a comment below. Top up or top down? And hit that subscribe button, because we are just getting started.